In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert PDF to Word using Google Drive. By the end, you'll have your PDF converted into an editable Microsoft Word document using Google Drive and Google Docs. First, in Google Drive, click New, then File Upload. In the file picker that opens, locate your PDF, select it, and click Open. Watch the upload progress in the bottom right corner. Wait until it finishes and the PDF appears in your drive. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment to sync and then look for the file name you just uploaded. Next, right-click the PDF you just uploaded. This opens the context menu directly on the file in your drive. Now click Open With, then choose Google Docs. Google Drive will open the PDF in a new Google Docs tab. This step also triggers the conversion. You don't need to press anything else here. Just let it load. The file opens and converts to editable text inside Google Docs. You'll see the content of your PDF as a regular document you can click into and edit. At this point, you can scroll through to confirm the text looks correct. Some PDFs, especially those with complex layouts, columns, or scanned images, may not convert with perfect formatting. That's normal. The important part is the text is now editable. Images from the PDF may also appear, though their placement can shift during conversion. If the document is long, give Google Docs a moment to finish rendering all pages before moving on. Once that's done, click File on the top left of Google Docs, then hover over Download and select Microsoft Word .docx. Your browser will start downloading the converted Word file. Watch for the download notification from your browser, usually at the bottom or top of the window. The file saves to your default downloads folder as a .docs, which you can open in Microsoft Word or share as needed. At this point, the conversion is complete. You uploaded the PDF to Google Drive, opened it with Google Docs to convert it to editable text, and downloaded it as a Microsoft Word document. Your PDF is now successfully converted to Word and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.